my god. They getting dirty for real. But that face be serving though. Hey, yo, this got me crazy right now. Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. And so much is popping off in the K-pop world. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Dre. We're gonna be checking out aespa Dirty Work MV. Oh my god, I'm not ready. Put a comment down below how excited you are for aespa and who is your bias. Put a comment down below. Be sure to like this video as always and click that subscribe and hit that notification button. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, my Patreon. Be sure to join in because we be watching K-pop Demon Hunters, which has been amazing. We've been checking out World Street Woman Fighter, which has been a mess, I'm not gonna lie, but interesting. I wish it would focus more on dance, but you know, anyways, without further ado, let's check out aespa Dirty Work. Play my intro. Alright, aespa Dirty Work. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Oh my goodness. I already saw like the teaser of this, and this shot right here is crazy to me. My god. World domination, I don't gotta say it. What? A mutant? He said world domination. Hey, oh. Oh, the twerk song in the beginning. Wait. That's dirty work. That's dirty work. Oh, they are on a different level. They slaying right here. How you look that good while rolling down in dirt? How the fuck? Look at this. Look at it. That is a crazy. No, that had to be a stump double. That had to be. What a crazy, interesting edit. She's serving still. Oh! Girl, they burying me in that dirt. What? Mafia ties? Oh hell no, I don't want to deal with that. Fear in their eyes, I'm always watching. Call me the Reaper, I'm knocking. It's me, a little baddie. Just cause I'm pretty doesn't mean I don't do hard things. I didn't say that. Don't beat me up, please. Hard things made me feel like a thunder lemon. Woo! Oh wait, hold on, she is serving too. I am. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, hold up. Wait, I am not ready for this. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. They getting dirty for real. But that face be serving though. Are you kidding me? Oh, that just reminded me I had to go poop. Sorry, the mud going through the tunnel made me realize I need to go poop after this. I'm sorry, that's TMI. But deadass, I was like, oh yeah, I forgot. I came here to go poop. And I straight went into just reacting to K-pop. Sorry, TMI. I am. These close-ups? Wait, aespa, the way you just have me in a chokehold right now. Who wrote this song? That's dirty work, real bad business, that's dirty work. Woo! That ponytail. Work, work, work. Woo. Oh my God. Work, 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 work. Oh man. This is fire. Stop. aespa. You doing that thing, bruh. Oh my God. 30. What? 30 and dang. Is there like a whole album now? Oh, they have one featuring Flo Milli. They have an English version? Hold up. What the hell? Wow. Nah, bro. The way that I think it's the whole MV got me gagged, bro. I think it's when it got dirtier, like, you know, when it got more muddy. Right here, too. I think it just started with this. They were just throwing themselves in the mud. Oh my God. Oh my God. They really getting dirty. Like literally they are the concept right now. Dirty work for real. What the fuck? Hey, yo, this got me crazy right now. I need to show Hedgen. I need to show my girlfriend too. She's gonna love this. All right, y'all, put in the comments down below what you guys think of aespa Dirty Work. I love this. All right, y'all. Hope you guys are having a great day. This your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work through it, it might just come true. Ooh. And yeah, be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.